All right, first time using this new shiny ceramic pan from Caraway. I can't wait to see if it can handle eggs. Over medium low. All right, they say not a much oil, but I've got bacon grease, so that's part of my flavor. And it just says to let it heat for at least 30 seconds before adding the food. So I'll get my eggs ready. I notice it's not sizzling, like audibly like I'd expect, but it seems to be like it's been on long enough to heat up. Let me see if water sizzles. Yes, a little bit. So I think it's ready. That was interesting. Here we go. No metal on this, so I got to get out my spoonula. I had to like wipe it off because it's been so long since I've used it. It's been over 10 years since I've had a nonstick pan. But look, let's see. Let's see the moment of truth. Whoa. That's like pretty perfect. Amazing. And I added boring greens powder that I dehydrated. Look at this, look at this. What? That is slick as slick can be. I cannot even believe it.